So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Alok Industries share. So we know that since 2 days the stock is being in upper circuit, that is yesterday and today. So we already discussed in our previous videos that we need to add this particular stock whenever it shows some correction, as we discussed the technicals in previous videos also. So today we'll discuss the what are the latest updates on it. On 10th September night an update has come regarding the preferential allotment. So we'll discuss about that, and also we'll do the technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we know that yesterday night, that is late night, an update has come by the Alok Industries regarding the issue and allotment of almost 275 crore shares at the face value of 1, and also regarding the capital reduction. So the three main points here, you can see that the allotment of 115 crore equity shares at a face value to Reliance Industries, that is one thing, and second one is regarding JM Financial Services. So you can see that is 160 crore shares which are given to JM Financial Asset Reconstruction Company. So majorly these two companies are the promoters of Alok Industries. So we also know that the quarter results of Alok Industries will also be declared in this particular month, which also will be turning out to be positive. So that's why the stock also has shown some positive shifts. So when we discussed in our previous videos, we also discussed that the stock is technically active and also it has been respecting the levels. So when it is technically active and also news based confirmation is there, then in the coming sessions also we can see a continuous upper circuits. And last one is the resolution of capital by cancellation and extinguishment of, that is 10,827 equity shares held by the promoters of the company. So for that 10,000 shares, that is reduction of capital by cancellation and extinguishment will be happened. So that is what is the major updates regarding the Alok Industries. So we know that the major junk, that is with the Reliance Industries, so we know that the 75% will be present regarding the Alok Industries shares. So we already discussed in our previous videos as well. So mainly we know that when it has got the backup of Reliance Industries and even the financials of the company have improved, so that's why the continuous momentum was seen in the stock without any further hurdles. So now we'll switch over to the technical charts, and also we'll do the volume analysis to find out the next possible levels. So when we see the volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 10th September 2020, 92.8% deliverable quantity were seen, and same way when we see the monthly as well as weekly averages, you can see 52.7 as well as 46.1 where traded quantity was present. A sudden drop in traded quantity was also seen, and we have discussed about this particular concept in our previous videos also, that whenever traded quantity is reducing, you need to be little attentive and need to add in small quantities, because at any point of time possible reversal may happen. So that is not a 100% confirmation, just it's a normal indication that the stock is technically neutral. At any point of time reversal may happen. So since 92.8% deliverable quantities are seen, so it is also giving a secondary confirmation that apart from news, even the stock is technically active. So when we discussed about RSI as well as money flow index, in that particular thing also we have discussed in our earlier videos that it has gone to 30 region. So whenever it goes below 30 region, we know that it is called oversold region, and whenever it goes 70 above, it's called overbought region. So both RSI and money flow index since past 2 days, we know that they were below, that is near the 30 rupees 30 region. So 30 region, so that's why I suggested that at any point of time technically also reversal may happen. So currently you can see they are near 38 as well as 41.7, so which is almost oversold region. So when we discussed about the technicals in our earlier videos, we discussed that, okay, so this particular region, so first level that I discussed is 33 rupees level, and immediate next one was 30 as well as 27 rupees levels. So today it is near 30 rupees level. So continuous, we can say, downfall was seen in the stock. Even the market sentiment for was negative. So since the market also, since now it is in positive momentum, even the stock is showing some positive shifts. So currently it's near 30.15. So continuous 2 days upper circuits have been completed successfully without any we can say movement. So direct upper circuits were seen. So immediate next targets would be 35 as well as 38 rupees that should be achieved, and when the quarter results also will be declared, so it will accelerate the momentum. So many people, we know that the stock was in a consolidation phase since many weeks, so many people were asking when the momentum will be started. So we can't decide anything. So operators, it's completely operator game. So we need to see the best levels, and we need to add in small quantities so that the best price we will get, and we will average at a position where the profit also will be good. So you need to remember all these things. So even the money flow index, as we discussed, it has almost touched the bottom, and again it has shown some reversal. So definitely people who are willing to add, they can add, but they're getting a lot. But since it is an upper circuit, you need to try to place an AMO order, or if you find any sort of movement, you can add in little quantity. Okay. So in previous videos also we discussed about future retail. So same thing again happened in this particular stock as well. So operators enter all together, and all stocks which are operator based show sudden movement which will be unexpected. Same in weekly basis also, when we see the stock, so we can say a very good support which is found by the stock near the 27 as well as 28 rupees range, which it was being respected. And money flow index, same fashion, it is pointing downwards. So since it is pointing downwards, we should not panic, because we are entering at a correct position rather than entering at overbought region. Okay, so that particular confidence will be available. So you need to do this sort of analysis before you enter into any stock. So before that, watch the previous videos also regarding Alok Industries, where we discussed some important that is parameters regarding Alok, whether it may be the various deals or the fundamentals. And if you're new to the channel, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.